For example, 5 main seasons in our country. And they are, please name them. Yes, you're right. Summer season, winter season, rainy season, autumn season, and the last season is spring season. One more time I will repeat. There are 5 different types of different types of seasons, and they are: first one, summer season; second one, rainy season; third one, winter season; fourth one is spring season, and the last one is autumn season. So children, in our last online session, we were discussing about the rainy season, summer season and winter season. And I had told you what we'll do in these different seasons. So children, in our last session, we were discussing about the different seasons. Let us write the names of different seasons on the board. So, the different 5 seasons are: first one is summer season. S-U-M-M-E-R. Summer season. S-E-A-S-O-N. Summer season. Second one, rainy season. Second one is rainy. R-A-I-N-Y. Rainy season. Third one, winter season. So, the next season is winter. W-I-N-T-E-R. Winter season. S-E-A-S-O-N. Season. Next one is spring. S-P-R-I-N-G. Spring season. S-E-A-S-O-N. Spring season. And the last one is, very good, autumn season. Last season, autumn. A-U-T-U-M-N. Autumn season. So, in our last class, we had discussed about summer season, winter season and rainy season. These 3 seasons. So, let us revise these 3 seasons one more time. So, in summer season means it is a hottest season in our country. So, we feel hot and warm in summer season. So, we will use air coolers or AC, fans in summer season. Why we will use them? To keep our body cool. So, we will use fans and ACs in summer season. And we like to eat ice creams, cold drinks in the summer season. And we will wear cotton clothes in summer season. We will wear cotton clothes because cotton clothes keep our body cool and protect us from hot sun rays. So we will wear cotton clothes in summer season. Next, the summer season comes on April, May, June. These are the summer season months. One more time I will explain it. April, May, June. These are the summer season months. Next one during rainy season. And we use umbrella, gumboots and the raincoat in rainy season. To protect ourselves from rain, we will use umbrella, raincoats and gumboots. And the rain. When the rain comes, the plants will grow. So, where we will put water to the plant, it will grow. In the same way, when the rain comes, all the plants, they will grow. And we can see everywhere greenery in the surrounding when it rains. For example, children, now it is a rainy season. So, whenever we will go out, we can see everywhere green plants are growing. Why they will grow? When the rain comes, then the plants will grow. So, next is, which are the months of rainy season? June or July, August, September are the months of rainy season. Next one is winter season. So tell me children, how do you feel in winter season? Do you feel cold or hot in winter season? Yes, you all feel cold in winter season. So the climate will be cold in the winter season. And we used to wear sweaters, jackets, shawls in winter season. We will wear mainly woolen clothes in winter season to protect ourselves from cold. So we will wear sweaters, jackets in winter season. Next, we will eat hot food. So we will eat the hot food and we like to drink tomato soups and vegetable soups, coffee, tea in winter season to keep our body warm, to protect ourselves from cold. We will like to eat hot food and like to drink hot drink like coffee, tea, so and so. This is all about winter season. In some areas, children, there will be a snowfall. So, in the places like Jammu and Kashmir, so there will be snowfall in winter season. So, this is all about winter season. In today's class, we will discuss about the spring season and autumn season. So, spring and autumn season are short season. So, they will not complete a 2 to 3 months of season. It is a small period of spring season and autumn season. So, first we will discuss about spring season. Next one is spring. Yes, Spring, spring season. So, spring season in Kannada we will call Vasanta Rutu. One more time I will tell. In Kannada, the spring season is Vasanta Rutu. So, it is the season, yes, E-A-S-O-N-S. It is a season where W-H-E-R, where the different D-R-F-F-E-R-E-N-T, different flowers. L-O-W-E-R-S, flowers will here the climate will not be cold or not hot. So, it is a mixture of cold and hot climate in spring season. So, in the summer season, we will feel hot. In winter season, we will feel cold. But in spring season, it is a mixture of hot and cold climate during spring season. And in this season, the different flowers will bloom. When this season starts, the season of spring will start from mid of February till March. So, spring season starts from mid of February, means at the 15th February, means it is the middle of February. From mid of February month, February, February to till March. Till March, M-A-R-C-H, March month. So, when the spring season will start, it starts at the middle of February and it ends at the March month. So, it is the season where different flowers will bloom. And the climate of spring season is not cold, not hot. Means it is a mixture of both hot and cold climate. So, it starts at the middle of February and it ends at the March month. So, this is all about the spring season. The next season is autumn season. It is a last season. Next one, autumn, A-U-T-U-M-N, autumn season, S-E-A-S-O-N, autumn season. So, in autumn season, the trees leaves, they will shed. So, the trees leaves will fall in autumn season. So, the trees leaves, they will be dry up and there will be a fall of leaves in autumn season. Here children, in autumn season, the climate will be not cold, not hot. It will be same as the climate of spring season. How is the climate of spring season? It is a mixture of hot and cold climate. Same in autumn season, the hot and cold climate mixture will be there. And the trees will shed. Shed means fall. So, the trees leaves will fall in autumn season. We will just write it. In autumn, A-U-T-U-M-N, in autumn season, the trees leaves, the trees leaves will the ground. Here, the climate, climate, here the climate will not be cold or hot. Will not be cold or not hot. In autumn season. In autumn season. So, first of all, the main autumn season means falling of leaves is called as autumn season. And next, the climate in autumn season is mixture of both hot and cold climate. And when does the autumn season comes? It comes at October and November are the autumn season months. October, O-C-T-O-B-E-R, October, and November, N-O-V-E-R, November, are the months of autumn season. Autumn season. So, first is, in autumn season, the trees leaves will shed in the ground. And the climate, so the climate will not be cold and it will not be hot also in the autumn season. And when does autumn season comes? It comes at October and November are the months of autumn season. So, October, November are the months of autumn season. So, this is all about the first one, spring season and autumn season. So, children, let us recap all these points one more time. We will just write it in an easy way. All seasons. What does it happen in that season? So, the first season name is summer season. Wait a minute. So, the first season is summer season. So, I will write first one, summer, S-U-M-M-E-R, summer season. So, you just see it and listen it carefully. Summer season means it is the hottest season. We will just write it in a sentence. It is the hottest, H-O-T-T-E-S-T, hottest season. So you can understand easily. First one, summer season. What will be there in summer season? The climate will be hot in the summer season. Second one, rainy season. What happens in the rainy season? It rains heavily in rainy season. Second one, rainy, R-A-R-N-Y, rainy season. Rainy season. So tell me children, what happens in rainy season? coldest season. Next one is fourth one, spring season. So which we have discussed in today's class. Spring season. So in spring season, children, the different flowers they will bloom. Bloom means aradupudu, which we call it in Kannada. So the different flowers will bloom in spring season. Spring season means Vasanta Rutu. Here the different 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 flowers will bloom. BLOOM, bloom in spring season. In spring season. And the last season, that is autumn season. AUTUMN, autumn season. So the trees leaves will dry up and they will fall in autumn season. Means the falling of leaves is called as autumn season. Here the trees leaves 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 dry up and fall or shed. Fall in the ground. In autumn season. So let us discuss all these seasons one more time. Listen and see carefully. Summer season means it is the hottest season comparing to other seasons. Next one, rainy season. Easily we can say it rains heavily in rainy season. Third season is winter season. How do you feel in winter season? Cold. It is the coldest season comparing to the other different season. Fourth one, spring season. Spring season means the different flowers will bloom in spring season. Fifth one, autumn season. Autumn season means the trees leaves they will dry up and they will fall on the ground. That season is called as autumn season. So children, this is all about the different 5 seasons in our country. So we know the 3 main seasons. They are summer season, rainy season and winter season. But with this season, we have 2 short seasons. So the period of this spring season and autumn season is short period. So these 2 are also the different seasons in our country. So do you have any doubts? So children, this is all about the summer season, rainy season, winter season, spring season and autumn season. So we have learned about the different seasons, types of season. Now it's time to end our session. Before ending our session, I will give you one word that you should practice in your home. So write about winter, rainy, summer seasons. So, in our last class children, we had already discussed about summer season, winter season